Friends, we have question number 16 in exercise 10.3. If P and Q are the length of perpendiculars from the origin to the line x cos theta plus y sin theta equals k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cosec theta equals k respectively, prove that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. We have two lines, namely x cos theta plus y sin theta equals k cos 2 theta and x sec theta plus y cosec theta equals k. We can compare these two lines in the general form, that is ax plus by plus c equals 0. If we consider the first line, this a will be cos theta and b will be sin theta, ax plus by. Then what about c? C will be minus k cos 2 theta. C will be minus k cos 2 theta. In this case, a will be sec theta, b will be cosec theta, and c will be minus k. Right. Now, the distance of a line from the origin is given by modulus negative c by square root of a square plus b square in the case of the line being ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here it is p equals negative of k cos theta modulus divided by square root of a square plus b square, that is square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta, and q will be modulus negative k divided by square root of a square plus b square. A is sec theta and b is cosec theta, root of c square theta plus cos square theta. Reasoning is given here. D is equal to modulus c by square root of a square plus b square. Now p square is equal to, we are squaring it. Why? We have to show that p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. We shall see what is p square. P square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta divided by square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, root 1. That is p square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta. Now q is equal to modulus negative k divided by square root of c square theta plus cos square theta. Therefore q square is equal to k square divided by, what is sec theta? Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Therefore root of sec square theta can be root of 1 by cos square theta. We are squaring q. Therefore that root sign can be removed. Therefore 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. That is, we shall simplify the denominator. LCM is cos square theta sin square theta. 1 must be multiplied by sin square theta and this one must be multiplied by cos square theta. Now the numerator becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. 1 by cos square theta sin square theta. K square divided by 1 by cos square theta sin square theta equals k square into cos square theta sin square theta. We have obtained two formulae. P square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta and q square is equal to k square cos square theta sin square theta. We have to find out what is p square plus 4q square. That is k square cos square 2 theta plus 4 into k square cos square theta sin square theta. Then this can be written as k square into sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore 4 cos square theta sin square theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta all square. square of 2 4 then cos square theta sin square theta. Then 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Therefore, we can write k square, a common factor, into cos square 2 theta plus this one is the portion given in the bracket is sin 2 theta. Therefore, sin 2 theta square, that is sin square 2 theta. Now cos square into, k square into cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. This much portion is 1. How? We know cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta must be 1. Therefore, the final result e square plus 4q square is found to be equal to k square. Once again, we are given two lines in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0, but that c is on the right, therefore we can change it as c equals 0. Now the first equation, x cos theta plus y sin theta minus k cos 2 theta equals 0. Second is x sec theta plus y cosec theta minus k equals 0. Now distance of a line from the origin is given to be modulus of minus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. The same formula is applied here. P is given, P is the perpendicular distance from the origin for the first line. Therefore, P is equal to modulus negative k cos 2 theta divided by square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is square root of a square plus b square. Similarly, Q is equal to modulus minus k divided by square root of c square theta plus c square theta. Here also a square plus b square. Now, squared P is equal to k square cos square 2 theta, and squared Q is equal to k square cos square theta sin square theta. P square plus 4q square is equal to k square cos square 2 theta plus k square into 2 cos theta sin theta whole square, that is k square into 2 cos theta sin theta is sin 2 theta. Therefore, cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta, that is equal to 1. K square into 1, that is p square plus 4q square is equal to k square. Right.